Welcome to another WULF instructional video. Today we're taking a look at how to zero and how to set the zero stop on our Lightning 30E 4-16 and 6-24. So there's two steps in this process. We need to complete the first one before we go out into the field and zero our rifle, and then the second step actually sets our zero stop once we've got our zero established. So to get started, we're going to remove the elevation turret. We start by removing the top cap. That's really easy, you don't need any tools, it just screws off. We can then remove the elevation turret, and this ring here underneath, this contains our zero stop. So within the packaging you'll find the tool, the little Allen key, that's in with the cleaning cloth, and then we've just got 3 grub screws on here that we need to loosen off. And once we've done that, the zero stop turret is loose, and it allows us to use the full elevation travel of the scope, which we're going to need when we zero. So there we go. So there's 3 located around the ring, 1, 2 and 3. Once that's loose, we can pop on our turret. We don't need to worry about what the indicator says at the moment. Screw that down. And we've now got the full elevation range of the scope. Now that's set, we can head out into the field, take a few shots and get the scope zeroed. Okay, now that we've got the scope zeroed, we need to remove the turret again. No tools required, we simply unscrew that top cap, remove the turret, and now that we've got our zero position established, we want to maintain that so we don't unlock the turret. We simply turn the zero stop section until it stops, so that turret is now up against the zero stop. So we want to turn that clockwise until it stops all the way, so you can see how that won't turn any further. We then need to lock the grub screws, so we need to find our 3 grub screw locations, tighten those back up. There's 1 on that side, and there's our 3rd one there. And the second step, we need to find the zero marker on our turret, line that up with the indicator on the scope as we place this back on, like that. Screw in the top cap, and then as we lift, we can dial the scope up, and as we return down, it stops at 0, and you can see the turret won't turn any further. And that's it, job done. So that's it. Your rifle scope is now zeroed and the zero stop is set. You're ready to go out shooting.